Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. Get ready. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an avocado taratoor sauce. If you've never heard of it, it's delicious, it's easy to make, and oh yeah, it's definitely healthy. Imagine that. So why not kick back, relax, and let me show you how to make it. Start off with one avocado, cut it in half, and remove the seed. And as always, whenever you're playing with knives in the kitchen, of course it's fun, but be careful, do not cut yourself. At this point in the sauce making process, you can either leave the avocados just like this, or you can section it out. It's not really too terribly important. We're going to blitz these guys, so it doesn't matter how they come out. Great work, nothing too complicated so far. Round up a spoon and scoop out that fleshy meat. Moving right along, the next step in the process is to round up a food processor and add the avocado to it. The next ingredient that you'll need is a taratoor sauce. Here's a brief glimpse of it. I'll put a link in the description below just in case you want to check it out to make this delicious sauce. Add 3/4 of a cup, that's about 187 milliliters, and it's a very easy sauce to make. It's a tahini-based sauce, it's super healthy and not too complicated. Crank up that processor and give it a whiz until it's smooth. And that's all there really is to it, so check it out. Give it a look-see. See how delicious this looks. It's a nice healthy alternative for a dipping sauce. You can dip veggies in it, you could dip pita in it, throw it on a falafel. You could add this to a sandwich, why not? Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next sauce recipe, and until then, remember to keep whisking, y'all.